In this video, you'll learn how to stake Fantom on Binance. By following these steps, you will successfully stake your FTM tokens and begin earning rewards. Start by navigating to the Binance website or opening the Binance app on your device. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to log into your account. Once you are logged in, locate the Earn section on the main interface. This is typically found in the menu or home screen of the application. After accessing the Earn section, you will see various options for earning passive income with your cryptocurrency. Use the search bar to find Fantom or FTM among the available staking products. Ensure that you have FTM tokens in your spot wallet, as this is necessary before you can proceed with staking. Next, you will need to select the lock period for your staking. Review the available options for staking duration and choose one that aligns with your investment strategy. Pay close attention to the annual percentage yield, or APY, and the specific terms associated with each lock period. After deciding on a duration, enter the amount of FTM you wish to stake in the designated field. Once you've entered the amount, review all subscription details to ensure accuracy. This includes confirming the staking duration, the amount of FTM to be staked, and the expected rewards. After verifying the information, proceed by confirming your subscription. A confirmation message will appear indicating that your staking has been successfully initiated. After confirming your staking, the FTM tokens will be moved to your Earn wallet. You can monitor your rewards by navigating to the Earn dashboard. This section will provide you with updates on the rewards you are earning, which are distributed periodically based on the terms of your staking agreement. Keep in mind that the rewards may take some time to reflect depending on the staking period you selected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.